Welcome to eVision, India's #1 leading HR and IT recruitment company. Join eVision, join job.
Hello everyone, my name is Aishwarya I am from Maharashtra. I completed my degree in computer engineering from North Maharashtra University, SSBT College, Jalgaon. I was looking job opportunity, then I was found eVision IT solution. In eVision, they provide me online full day job internship under guidance of IT managers and administration. In eVision, teachers are very good and helpful and careful, and the management of administration is also good. Then I was completed my training. Then I was received call in interview and I was selected in CRISIL company. My package is 3 lakh per annum. So thank you so much for eVision for great support to me. Thank you.